Welcome to TechSphere. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, Amazon's use of robotics and automation. Have you ever wondered how Amazon manages to get your orders delivered so quickly? Well, a lot of that speed comes down to their use of advanced robotics technology. Let's explore how Amazon's robotics and automation are revolutionizing the world of e-commerce. When Amazon started back in 1994 as an online bookstore, no one could have predicted that it would become the global retail giant it is today. The company now sells everything from books to electronics, groceries, and even furniture. But how does Amazon keep up with the demand, especially during peak times like Black Friday and Prime Day? The answer lies in their heavy investment in robotics and automation. Over the past decade, Amazon has transformed its operations by integrating cutting-edge technology to make the fulfillment process faster, safer, and more efficient. In 2012, Amazon made a bold move by acquiring Kiva systems for $775 million. This was a turning point that highlighted Amazon's commitment to automation. Kiva robots, now rebranded as Amazon Robotics, are small orange robots designed to carry shelves of products directly to human workers, rather than the traditional method where workers had to walk around the warehouse to pick items from the shelves. Before Kiva, workers in Amazon's fulfillment centers could walk up to 15 miles per day picking items, but now these robots do all the heavy lifting, bringing the shelves to the workers, making the process faster and reducing physical strain on employees. But how exactly do these Kiva robots operate? Each robot is about the size of a small suitcase and can lift over 1,000 pounds. They use advanced sensors, cameras, and mapping software to navigate the warehouse floor. They slide underneath shelves, lift them slightly, and transport them to picking stations where human workers select and pack the items. This goods-to-person model not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of accidents in the warehouse. Imagine thousands of these robots zipping around a massive warehouse floor, seamlessly avoiding each other and obstacles, all thanks to sophisticated algorithms and AI. Amazon didn't stop at Kiva. Since then, they have expanded their robotics division and introduced several new types of robots. For instance, there are the Pegasus robots, which are designed to sort packages on conveyor belts. These small, agile robots are responsible for directing packages to their correct destinations within the facility. Amazon also unveiled the Xanthus robots, which are more modular and can be adapted for a variety of tasks. Unlike earlier models, these robots can be easily upgraded with different attachments, making them highly versatile. Amazon's goal is to automate as much of its fulfillment process as possible while keeping humans in supervisory and support roles. In addition to its warehouse robots, Amazon has been making headlines with its efforts to develop autonomous delivery drones under the project known as Prime Air. Announced in 2013, Prime Air aims to deliver packages weighing up to 5 pounds directly to customers' doorsteps within 30 minutes of placing an order. Imagine ordering a new gadget or a book and having a drone deliver it to your backyard before you've even finished your coffee. While there have been regulatory and technical challenges delaying the rollout, Amazon remains committed to making this vision a reality. The company has already conducted successful test flights in various countries, and it's only a matter of time before drone deliveries become commonplace. But drones aren't the only autonomous delivery devices Amazon is experimenting with. Enter Amazon Scout, a small 6-wheeled robot that's designed to autonomously navigate sidewalks and deliver packages to customers. Scout has been tested in select cities across the United States and works much like a mailman, quietly rolling down the street, bringing parcels directly to your door. Using advanced sensors and machine learning, Scout can navigate obstacles like pets, pedestrians, and even street crossings. Amazon's vision is to have a fleet of these robots complement traditional delivery methods, making last-mile deliveries more efficient and environmentally friendly. Robots aren't the only technology Amazon is using to streamline its operations. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are at the heart of Amazon's automation strategy. From predicting which products are likely to be in high demand to optimizing the placement of inventory across fulfillment centers, AI ensures that Amazon's supply chain runs smoothly. Machine learning algorithms also help robots adapt to different warehouse environments, making the system flexible and resilient. For example, example, if a particular product suddenly sees a spike in orders, the AI can adjust the robot's task priorities to ensure that those items are packed and shipped faster. Now let's talk about the benefits. For Amazon, the use of robotics and automation has led to faster order processing, reduced labor costs, and greater efficiency. Robots don't need breaks, they don't get tired, and they can work around the clock. This means Amazon can operate at a scale that would be unimaginable with just human workers. For customers, this translates to faster deliveries, more accurate orders, and an overall better shopping experience. Imagine placing an order in the morning and receiving it by the afternoon. Automation makes that possible. But not everything about automation is perfect. There are ethical concerns surrounding Amazon's push towards robotics. Critics argue that the increased use of robots could lead to job losses, and that the pressure to keep up with machines has led to tough working conditions for human employees. Amazon has responded by stating that robots are there to assist, not replace humans. They have also launched training programs to help workers transition into more technical roles, allowing them to oversee and manage automated systems. However, the debate continues about how much of the workforce can be automated without displacing human labor. So what's next for Amazon's robotics and automation? The company has ambitious plans. Amazon is continuously developing new robotic solutions to improve every aspect of its supply chain. Recently, they've been exploring robotic arms capable of picking and packing items, which would mark a significant step towards full automation. The company is also investing in warehouse robots that can handle delicate or oddly shaped objects, something that current robots struggle with. And let's not forget the Prime Air drones and Scout delivery bots. They're still very much in development, with Amazon pushing hard to address the technical and regulatory hurdles that stand in the way. Amazon's investment in robotics and automation has reshaped not only their business, but the entire retail landscape. While the use of robots brings speed and efficiency, it also raises questions about the future of work and the balance between machines and humans. What are your thoughts on Amazon's automation efforts? Are you excited about the potential for faster deliveries, or are you concerned about the impact on jobs? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates from TechSphere on the latest trends in technology. Thanks for watching.